Hey friends, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stacey, and in today's video, I have for you another wonderful Walmart fall haul. Lots to cover, so let's dive in. Number one is this long sleeve dress from the Free Assembly line. This is a bestseller dress. Now I will have my height and weight along with the links to everything in the description below, all in numeric order to make shopping easier for you guys. So like I mentioned, this is a long sleeve style. You have a half zip with that mock neck detail. Now I am 5'4" for height reference, and this sits just above my knee. This dress has such a fun, youthful vibe to it. Like, it's just a great dress for an everyday look with kind of running errands and whatnot, looking like you just left the gym without actually leaving the gym. A little bit a step up, I should say, a little dressier. Now I paired it with these sporty sneakers from the No Boundaries brand. I've shared these in previous videos, but back to this dress. It is a cotton polyester blend, priced at $24. Picked it up in this dark navy color, but it's also available in a cream color and a maroon color. This next look is from the Celebrity Pink line. Guys, this jumpsuit is so cute. It is so comfortable. So they're calling this the cargo boiler suit. It is priced at $27.50. Because it is a cargo style, you do have your two little cargo pockets over here on the legs. You have your two front pockets. You also have your two back pockets. I would stay true to your size. This jumpsuit is forgiving. I am wearing this in a size medium. Could have got away with sizing down. Does have a good amount of length in the torso section, so if you do have a longer torso, I believe this would fit you very nicely. Now the sleeves are rolled up, sewn together. That's also with the bottom. You have the full button down in the front here. And of course the elasticized band in the back, but just very comfortable. Priced at $27.50, a nice one and done outfit. I could see you wearing this at the pumpkin patch, running errands. You'll just have a cute little fun fall look. This long sleeve top is a bestseller from the Scoop line. It is priced at $22. I'm wearing this in a maroon color. It's also available in a black, a blue, a green, and a white. It is a button down. You also have two front pockets with buttons. You also have the long sleeve with the two buttons on the cuff. What's nice is that it has this extra material that keeps the buttons hidden. Very nice, comfortable top. This top is 100% polyester, like I mentioned, priced at $22. I'll untuck it in just a second to give you an idea as far as the length. I paired it with these cargo pants from the Jessica Simpson line. Now I did pick up these pants in a size 2. If you watch my videos on a regular basis, I usually wear a size 4 or a size 6. With the Jessica Simpson line, I would recommend sizing down. Now these pants are that cargo style, so you have the two little side cargo pockets. I believe these are priced at, hold on, let's check our notes here. Oh, these are priced at $29.50, 98% cotton, 2% spandex. What makes these pants so cute is that they are ankle length. Again, I'm 5'4" for height reference. There is a little button on the bottom here that brings the material in close together to give you more of a tapered look, which is really cute. You can unbutton that and then you have more of a straight leg style, but very comfortable pair of pants. Oh, I wanted to mention, is there a little bit of stretch? No, you have the double buttons over here on the front, and then also you do have belt loops should you want to add a belt. And then to give you an idea as far as the length of this top, here you go, and it's sitting just below my waist. And then of course you have two little slits on the side here, but very comfortable, lightweight top. I really like how they have that extra material. I could definitely see why it's a bestseller. This next bestseller is also from the Scoop line. Guys, this dress is so pretty. It is a 3/4 length sleeve. It is a midi length V-neck style, gathered in the front, nice ruched detailed. So if you want to conceal the midsection, this dress would be great. Picked it up in this red houndstooth pattern. It's also available in a solid black. Now it is a full zipper down in the back, sewn in, so it's nice and hidden. And then of course you have that eye hook closure. This is also available in a black. Now you have all the ruching detail that is in the front here. It is also available on the sleeve. Very flattering dress. And also what I want to point out is it has a slight pleating detail in the front, so it does go up just slightly, but Just a very comfortable, beautiful mid-length dress. It is 100% polyester, priced at $36. And as far as the length from the center of the back, it is 51 inches. This next one and done outfit is priced at $17. It is a two-piece set, comes with the cropped top, the matching pants. It has an overall pleated pattern all throughout. It is a long sleeve, wide leg style. You do have an elastic waist, the square neckline on the top. This is a cropped style, but it did not sit too low, or too high, I should say. The pants are forgiving, no boundaries, has had a recent overhaul this past summer. They've added in lots of new designs, youthful, fun designs, and I believe the sizes have changed slightly. I did go with a size medium that fit great, so I would still recommend sizing up in the No Boundaries brand, but it is a very lightweight, stretchy material. This would be great too. You know, you could pair this with a jacket. I paired it with the Sofia Vergara blazer. You could take the top, wear this with a pair of jeans, add a different, maybe like a sweater on top. Very comfortable, lightweight outfit. Now, it is a very light, as you can see, very thin, light material. Picked it up in this black. It's also available in a green, purple, and a red. Because it is a light, thin material, it is 100% polyester, I would recommend washing this on a delicate cycle and then laying out to dry. As far as the length for the pants, they are a 30.5-inch inseam, and we're just skimming the top of my foot, but just a very cute little, I mean, definitely a great outfit to wear. Like I said, you're having a dinner party, you could wear this to work. Easy to slip on and very comfortable to wear. This next two-piece set is from the Time and True line. It is a bestseller. You have the pull-over hoodie with the matching pants. I picked this up in like this dark gray heather color. It's also available in a black, brown, and emerald. This is priced at $35. Now the material is a combination 26% recycled nylon, 34% polyester, and then 38% BCI cotton. You do have the drawstring hoodie. Check out the texture detail all throughout. Very comfortable, lightweight, and stretchy. With Time and True, I would recommend sizing down. Their sizes tend to be slightly larger, plus you have an elastic waist. Look at all the room here. And then you have a drawstring if you need to kind of snug this in and pull it in, cinch it in at the waist and whatnot. But guys, this is just a comfortable one and done outfit. Again, another piece that you could separate this with right now, a pair of shorts, and then for those cooler evenings, add this little hoodie over top. And then the other thing I wanted to, let's see, nope, it's the same, okay. One thing I did want to bring to your attention is there is a little textured pattern detail going down the side of the leg, which just kind of adds a little extra touch. Next is this mini dress from the Free Assembly line. Now the entire length of this dress is 34 inches. I am 5'4" for height reference, sits just above my knee. You do have two little side slits on the side here. This is sleeveless with the turtleneck. It is priced at $28. Now the only color I saw available was this light heather oat color, which I think is really pretty. There were no other color options available to you. This dress is priced at $28. This dress would go great with adding a denim jacket over top, a pair of Western boots, or a pair of sneakers. You'd look really cute. This top is from the Pioneer Woman line. It's priced at $16. It is a V-neck. Picked it up in this cognac color that I thought was perfect for fall, but it's also available in like a bright fuchsia color. The top's priced at $16. The body is a cotton, 100% cotton. The sleeves are a cotton rayon blend. What makes this top really cute is all the pretty detail on the sleeves. I thought that added a little extra touch. I just paired it with a pair of jeans. These are actually the Sofia Vergara jeans. I have had these since last season. I know they're carrying them again this season. Very comfortable jeans. And like I said, I'll have everything linked below. But I also have to mention that these earrings are also from the Pioneer Woman line, priced under $8. You can't beat that, but I thought all that little pretty detail was really nice. And then a couple other accessories, or actually one more accessory that I found that I thought were really cute, were these Sofia Vergara shades. Guys, these shades are just so cute. Look at all that little pretty, yeah, I just liked, they might be a little too big for my face. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, but I just thought they were so pretty in this rose gold color. And these are priced at $30. They had a whole selection available at Walmart. Picked these up in store, but just thought, wouldn't these be so cute? A great way to dress up an outfit. All right, let's see, what else do I have here? I also have this faux leather vest. This is a bestseller from the No Boundaries brand. Now it is a sleeveless vest with like that faux Sherpa style. It is priced at $30. And let me get this on. Where's the armhole here? If I can figure out how to get this on. This is just kind of nice, a nice little layering piece. And I thought, oh my gosh, look how cute this is. I think this would actually go great with like a black top underneath. And it does have the zipper in the front. So you are able to zip this up and kind of close it together, but just very cute. You also have, make sure my mic's not affected, but you also have two side pockets, but I just thought it was such a cute little, you know, like I said, a little over jacket, or what do they call this? Yeah, a vest. Come on, Stacey, get it together. So let me bring this in close. Like I mentioned, it is that faux leather style, and then you have a textured all throughout the kind of fun little texture all throughout the jacket, and then that faux Sherpa, which is just 100% polyester, but very cute layering piece. Another bestseller from the Scoop line is this bomber jacket. Guys, this jacket is so cute. So I'm wearing it in this black color. It's also available in like a red maroon type color. It is a bestseller from the Scoop line, priced at $32. It is 96% polyester, 4% spandex. The sizes available are extra small through double extra large. I am wearing this in a size small. You have a rounded neckline. You have an elastic cuff. It is a zipper in the front here, so you're able to just kind of give that a little zip right there. Hang on, make sure my mic doesn't get affected, but yeah, nice little zip there. I kind of liked rolling it up. I thought that looked kind of cute. Let me know what you guys think if you prefer to kind of do it that rolled over style here, but I just thought it was really cute. You know, just kind of, you could have a little graphic t-shirt under this, pair of leggings. I think you'd look really cute. Just adding an extra layer really steps up an everyday look. But I'd have to say very comfortable, lightweight. And I feel like there is a little bit of shine to this material, which is really pretty. In last week's video, I shared a similar dress from the No Boundaries brand. It is a mini length. I found this dress from the Madden NYC line, lot longer. This is more of, I would call it like a midi length. This is priced at $13.50, has a good amount of stretch to it. It is sleeveless with that high neck style. Again, a great piece that you could just add a jacket over top, a blazer, and it just a really cute, or even a denim jacket would look really cute with a pair of boots. You'd look really cute. Now next is, oh, I meant to put this on, so let me get adjusted here for just a second. But finally, oh, and I have, somebody had a question in regards to denim jackets in my last video, so I'll get to that in just a moment. Guys, oh my gosh, this cardigan, look how cute this is. It's in this nice little oat color. Oh, it is so soft and comfortable, nice and stretchy. There are no buttons on the front. It does have pockets, but look at the stretch. Oh, just a nice cozy top, nice and soft. Let's pull up the details. I believe this is from the Time and True line. Yeah, this is from the Time and True line. Did pick this up in a size small, so it has more of an oversized fit. This is priced at $18, and the material, let's see here, we have, it's 50% recycled polyester and then 50% polyester, but look at all that knitting detail all throughout. Really pretty, just nice, comfortable, lightweight cardigan. In last week's video, I shared this adorable denim jacket from the Jessica Simpson line. This jacket is so cute. It's in this nice dark wash. You also have two pockets, but Deborah actually had a question in regards to how soft this jacket is. So it took me a few minutes. I'm sitting there kind of touching the material going, yeah, I think it's soft. I feel like it's soft. So then I thought, all right, well, let's bring out a couple other denim jackets that I recently just shared with you. Now this is from the Madden NYC line. Let's see, this is, what are they calling this? Like a cropped, a bomber jacket. Very lightweight. It is 100% cotton. This has the zipper down. It's more of that cropped style. And I would say this is lightweight It is not too structured. I grabbed an old denim jacket that I have had for years. This was from the New York & Company line. I don't even know if they're still in business, but I've had, you guys know, you buy a denim jacket, it pretty much lasts you a lifetime. But to me, this jacket has more of a structured kind of stiff feel. So I was like trying to compare these in regards to, okay, how soft is it? The old school jacket to me has, like I said, that thick, very thick textured, more of that structured type jacket. Pulled out the denim jacket I picked up last season. I believe this is also available. I believe they carry this year round. This is from the Time and True line. So Deborah, what I want to point out is when I compared them, the outside surface of the Time and True, guys, look at that stretch. The outside surface of the Time and True I felt like was a lot softer. I'm like, oh yeah, it does feel a lot softer. Inside it's soft. Not as soft as the outside, I would say, but it is definitely soft, not irritating to the skin. Now, when I compared it to the Jessica Simpson, to me, this did not feel as soft on the outside. It's still pretty soft. Look at that stretch. Still comfortable, but when I sat here for like this, I'm like, okay, this one feels softer, maybe just a hair softer versus the Jessica Simpson. But again, the texture on the inside felt pretty much the same, just as soft. And then when I compared it to, like I said, the Madden NYC, this had more of that denim feel, that denim texture, not irritating on the skin at all. But I'm like, okay, this has more of that old school kind of textured type feel. But I hope that answered your question. Hope that helped you out. Friends, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And guys, we are a big, huge, wonderful community of fashionistas, yeah. Make sure to, respond to those comments, because sometimes I may not know the answer. So I would love it if we all just kind of come together and help each other out and whatnot. But friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Remember to keep shining, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.